Hello? Saudi ka, Saudi. Don't look at my stomach. Don't look at my stomach. Hello, my friends. How's it going? Wait, hold on. Can you guys hear my earrings? Oh! um, my hair looks crazy right now. Just ignore that, even though now that I pointed it out, you probably can't ignore it. But hello, my friends. How's it going? I hope you are well. I don't know if this is the beginning of this video. If it is, then hello. Tis I, your hostess for the most, and welcome to this video. I don't know if you remember, but when I first made this skirt here, I made it with the wrong fabric because I ordered the fabric I wanted, but they oh my god, they sent me the wrong fabric. So I just made this skirt because ultimately I was supposed to release this collection like beginning of February. So I was like, I don't have time to return this and get a new one or order more or whatever. But it is February 18th or something, and obviously I haven't released the collection. And obviously I had time to get the right fabric. So I'm going to switch out this fabric. It should be super, super easy. Nothing too complicated. I realized that I probably should have filmed the skirt before and then and after, but I didn't do that. So, do I have? I should have. While I was making it, hey, I beg, I beg. Oh my God, I don't want it to come undone. Ooh, I already like it more with the right fabric. A part of me is wondering if I should make this skirt a version of it that doesn't have this panel on it, and it just has like a white panel that matches this white, and then a black panel that matches the black. But we'll see. Hello? Arg. Okay, I need to iron it. Which is why this seam right here is real crookedy dookedy. I need to go in, iron her. But yeah, this is the flat version of the skirt. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. Alrighty. I like it more with the right fabric. This is very cute. Really quick, I have to film a TikTok for this skirt. I'll be right back. Preliminarily styled the skirt. I think I did this one, that one, that one, that one. I did 4 outfits. Very fun. I love it. All right. Truth be told, that skirt was the last thing in this collection that was still kind of sitting like, with me. I've mentioned it a billion times, but I didn't really all the way I didn't really all the way want to market it with that wrong fabric. Now that it's fixed, it's pretty much good to go. It looks so good. I'm so in love with it, and I definitely like it more than I liked the other one. I think the fabric works a lot better, just in general. I don't think I would ever purchase that other fabric to begin with. Warner's a question. Is that all I want in this collection? Is it actually finished, and that's all those are all the pieces that are going to be in it? Or do I want to make something else? Oh, did you guys hear that? Oh my God, that was my thigh. That was freaking crazy.